Hello folks, and welcome back to the Speed Shack. Today's video, it's another review. I have gone and treated myself. Given that it's the middle of winter and it's bloody cold, especially when I'm on the motorbike, I've finally bitten the bullet and treated myself to some heated gloves. It's taken me ages to try and determine which heated gloves to get because I want the best value for my money, as do you. I have decided RST Paragon 6. Let's have a look at what's in the box. Obviously, these are the RST Paragon 6 heated glove. Part number for anyone that's interested is there. These are from sportsbikeshop. They were $179.99. Battery powered. They come with the USB cable and the batteries, which I thought was very, very good for the money. A lot of the other gloves that I saw and tried on were either hardwired to the bike and you had to pay extra for a battery pack, or they were just hardwired to the bike. I don't want wires hanging off the bike, so I've gone for the battery powered ones. These have three heat levels, low, medium and high. Let's see what's in the box. The gloves. Some warnings and instructions, so that's worth keeping hold of. A user guide. We don't want French. There we go, there's the English. And it looks like that's just the standard cleaning and maintenance information, guide to the protective markings, and using your gloves for the first time. We will probably never look at that again. What's in that one? This must be the batteries. Yep. So we've got one battery, two batteries, a heated glove charging cable. Oh, that's nice. That is a split USB-C cable. So you need one adapter and then you can plug both batteries in at once. Save having to remember to swap them over and having one warm hand, one cold hand. Like that, that's nice. Batteries. Okay, so we've got a phono cable and the USB-C is on the battery. A lithium polymer battery, so don't dick with them, they can be quite dangerous. Cool, there's the other one. Unzip the battery pocket, insert the connector. Right. Battery pocket's located on the cuff. And your phono connector is there. Plug her in. Stuff her down. That fits really nicely, it's nice and low profile. Not too bulky and it's not overly heavy really. We've also got an elasticated cuff. It's worth mentioning these are thermal, obviously, heated and waterproof. Ideally you want the cuff inside your jacket so that you don't get rain running down your jacket into the back of your cuff, but the drawstring will certainly help if you can't do that. I've got one-piece race leathers and they will certainly not go underneath the cuff on them, so when these are on, give them a tug and that'll hopefully clamp it down, and if you do get caught out in a rain shower, it'll stop the rain going down inside the glove. I've tried these on in the shop, I know that they fit me well. All of the older RST heated gloves, the fingers on them were really, really short, so you have to either go with an oversized glove, which isn't ideal, or you make do with the short fingers, and they were quite a struggle to get a good reach on the levers. These, they've changed. That length is much, much better than the old ones. We've got extra leather on the index finger, I'm assuming because we use that for flashing and stuff. We've got a visor wiper on there. It's a nice touch, and all round construction looks to be really, really good. There's nothing in the backs of the fingers or the thumb that are rubbing anywhere. They just feel really comfortable. Turn them on, you press and hold. They go straight onto the hot setting. Red signifies you're hot. You can feel that already. That is impressive. That is absolutely ace. So your red setting, according to the leaflet here, red is 60 degrees and will last 2 hours. Medium, 50 degrees will last 3 hours. Low, 40 degrees will last 4 hours. And to cycle through, you dig that button and it will cycle through. Green is low, and obviously red, hot. Whatever you want to call that one. Amber, off green is your medium. Let's leave them on hot and see how warm that gets. That's really nice. So as with all lithium polymer batteries, you should be charging these fully before using them properly. I think for this demo this will be fine. That I am well impressed with. That's lovely and toasty within seconds of turning it on. Amazing. And what's it like? So with the other glove on, all that works well. You don't need to really faff around with it. It's not difficult to press. Perfect. Right, happy with these. I think it's time to turn this off. We'll get them charged. Oh, turn it off, come on. There we go. Take these off, get them fully charged, take them out for a ride over the next couple of weeks and see how they fare in this cold winter weather. But I'm very pleased with those. If you're looking for some heated gloves, well worth considering these. They appear to be a very high quality glove, and for $179.99 they are significantly cheaper than some of the other heated gloves, and these are battery only, so if you don't want wires hanging off, give them a good look. Well worth considering. So that's it, folks. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. See you soon.